Hey guys, it's me Ethan here, and I'm here, and we're fixing to go outside at 2 o'clock. So here, come on. I want to show you guys. Here, I want to introduce you to someone. Okay, this is my cousin right here, and hold on, where we could see.
Hi.
Yeah, and she's filming me. Okay, here. And I want to show you my other one. Preston! Come on. Come here. I want to show you my viewers.
You'll be on YouTube.
You'll be on YouTube, Preston. Hey. Taxi.
Yeah.
Hey, and this is my little buddy, Preston. Yeah. He likes to ride dirt bikes all the time. I don't know why. So that's yeah. My cousin's gonna say something.
My brother, he's stupid most of the time.
Yeah, he really is. Hold it up, okay? My face. Well, let me put on my socks and we'll go outside if y'all, and we will just have some fun. Well, I think we're gonna go ride my dirt bike. Okay? I'm not sure.
Take your tablet outside.
Yeah, and I think we're gonna go riding. No. Hey, Preston, wanna go ride?
The motorcycles?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, and I just wanted to tell you guys, I'll see you after we ride our motorcycles. Bye.